Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a drop down in the Microsoft Excel. So for example, I already have data here, and for example, I'm going to add the drop down in the gender. So which is the choice is male or female. Okay, just select range and then just click data, and you can select the data validation. Select data validation. So here you can select settings and load to list. Select list and select just type the choice in the search. For example, which is male, and then dot comma sorry, dot comma, and so the second one choose is female. Just click OK. As you can see, the drop down has been added to a cell. Just click the cell and select the choice, for example. Okay, that's it. Okay, so super simple. That's how you can create a drop down into Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.